Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add and remove contacts from your SigniFlow profile. Adding contacts ensures that you can easily send documents for signing, while removing outdated or unnecessary contacts helps keep your contact list organized and secure, ensuring smooth and efficient workflows. Navigate to the left menu bar and select Profile, then select the Contacts tab. Here, you can manage contacts by adding or deleting them. Once a contact is added here, they will automatically appear as an option in the Contacts drop-down when adding a signer to your document. You are able to add a new contact by clicking on the Add Contact button. Simply fill in the needed information, then save contact. When you create a new workflow, your added recipients are automatically saved here as contacts. You are able to search for a contact. If a contact was previously saved with incorrect details, or you have duplicate contacts, you can remove and create new contacts. That is a short run-through of SigniFlow profile contacts. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.